What is up, folks? It's Andrew with mywatchaddiction.com, and today we're going to do an unboxing from the watchgang wheel. Now, I had accrued a bunch of points from past renewals that I hadn't done anything with, so I decided to take a spin on the watchgang wheel because, let's face it, didn't cost me anything. Might as well just go ahead and do it. And I won a Jiusko Speedmaster. Jiusko. Sounds like a juicer. Anyway, I won a Jiusko Speedmaster from the watchgang wheel. And I know you guys are going to shred me on the pronunciation of that. Quite honestly, I don't know what the hell it is supposed to be pronounced like. So definitely post up in the comments below if you guys know once you see the title of this watch. Anyway, guys, if you have not seen my videos before, go ahead and smash that subscribe button so you can follow us in the future. Don't forget to hit that bell if you want to receive notifications. Now, the watch of the day is a previous wheel watch that I had gotten in. It's the Vostok N1 Rocket Automatic that has been sitting in my collection for a little bit. Anyway, guys, let's tear into this box and see what it's all about. All right, so let's tear into this watchgang wheel watch. Now, if I remember right, this might have been a tier 2 watch. I quite honestly don't remember exactly. It was a while ago, a little while ago that I did it. So open this guy up, the packing list, and packing, you don't need that. Jiusko, however you want to pronounce that. Typical diver case, ABS plastic. This is kind of cool. This is rubberized. This is almost like rubber, applied rubber logo right there. Let's open this guy up and see what it looks like. And there it is. Now, in this packaging, we have, that's kind of cool. Looks like a business card holder with an unfilled out warranty card and then the manual in it. It's a pretty cool business card holder though. It's magnet. And then we have a microfiber polishing cloth. And then we have the actual watch itself. Now, this was an interesting selection. I don't know what they were thinking here, but inside of this case is just styrofoam, and then this pillow that this watch is actually on is covered felt. So I don't know if they just ran out of styrofoam for these guys. Personally, I would have just put it on styrofoam instead of doing the felt. It looks kind of cheesy. So if we zoom in and take a closer look, this is the Jiusko, however you pronounce it, Speedmaster. Now, one of the reasons why I added this watch to my potential wins on the watchgang wheel is because I think that dial design is pretty slick. The texture in that dial, the applied indices, plus I'm a huge fan of chronographs. Now, incidentally, this is a quartz chronograph. The quartz movement in this is made by Citizen. I'm not sure what model it is, but this is a Citizen quartz movement in here that's supposed to have an accuracy of plus or minus 15 seconds a day. The case size on this watch is 43 millimeters with a 13 millimeter case thickness. So it's really good size. The lug wrap looks pretty comfortable. I have a feeling that from a wear standpoint, I'm not going to mind wearing this watch. Stainless steel bracelet is 22 millimeters at the lug and then tapers down to, I believe, it might not taper. If we flip it over, the fold over locking clasp does have that Jiusko logo right there on it with micro adjustments right in the clasp. Now, this watch on their website has an MSRP of $399. Quite honestly, just given the weight of this, it's not an overly heavy watch, feels pretty light. I probably wouldn't spend more than $50 on this if I was purchasing it outright, but it doesn't look to be a bad little watch. And when I factor in the fact that I got this watch for free, just using points from the wheel due to my renewals, I'm not upset with this watch at all.
So that was the Jiusko Speedmaster from the Watchgang Wheel of Watches that I got in. Not a horrible little watch, especially when you factor in how much I actually did not pay for it. I cannot complain at free on this one. And I recognize the word free is all relative, but out-of-pocket expense for this watch, absolutely zero for me. So I'm not horribly upset with that. Build quality, fit and finish, I'm liking it, especially at that free price. The clasp, again, like I mentioned, its press clasp feels a little bit cheap, but the actual body of the watch and that stainless steel bracelet is pretty nice. That quartz movement in it, again, I can't comment on that quartz movement, how nice it is or anything like that. One thing I will note on this is because this is a quartz chronograph, I did have to recenter or recalibrate the second hand on this. And for this watch specifically, if you pull the main crown out to the third position and then hit that top button, that will allow you to calibrate that second hand in 1 second increments. There's instructions if you ever have problems with calibrating a quartz chronograph. There's instructions all over the internet on how to do that. So or you can reach out to me and I'll tell you how to do it. It's really, really easy to do. What I mean by that is if when you reset that chronograph, that second hand doesn't snap back to that perfect 12 o'clock position. Like for instance, with this one, it snapped back to the 11:55 position. Just recalibrated it and everything is good to go. Anyway, guys, I am gonna get out of here. If you wanna see this on my wrist or any other watch on a daily basis, don't forget you can follow us at Instagram/watchaddiction.us. Lastly, post up in the comments below, like, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think of this watch. Let me know what you would like to see in the future from this channel. Always, always, always listening. Anyway, guys, I'm getting out of here. Have a great week and we will see you soon.